Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to log formula in Excel sheet. Now we can see this formula total and average. Select all or we select only selected cells. Hold control or selected to cell. Then right click mouse. Go to format cells, protections, already locked this protection, then unlock this. Okay. Again, go to home tab. Now find and select, click here. Then go to special or direct click formulas. I click go to special, then click formulas. Okay. Now lock this. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.